You read that correctly. Yes. When in doubt, grow it out. That is not a phrase that Dead Man's Beard Co. made up. That's not a phrase that I made up. I'm not exactly sure where it came from. I heard some YouTubers use it years ago, but I'm sure that was even passed on from someone they heard it from. But my goodness, is that a good rule to live by with a beard? When in doubt, grow it out. There's nothing wrong with trimming. Absolutely nothing wrong. But if you're unsure, maybe wait. I've never heard of somebody regretting growing their beard longer. I've never heard of somebody regretting waiting to trim, because that trim can always happen. If you do it from a month from now or today, if you're going to trim down to 3 inches, the result is going to be the same. It doesn't matter if you wait, especially if you're enjoying the journey while you get there. And I'll talk about more of these details in just a second, but the quickest introduction, my name's Dan C. Bearded. I do have a YouTube channel all about beards if you guys want to check it out. This is the Dead Man's Beard Co. YouTube channel. We've gotten together for educational videos every Friday, and we appreciate you guys watching. I have seen, and I've been doing this for 8 years now, guys. Legitimately over 8 years. We have passed my 8-year anniversary, and I'm very, very approachable. My Instagram, my email's in the description of every one of my videos. So I get lots of guys reaching out, asking questions, looking for help, but sometimes just venting and sharing like tragic situations, like when a guy got his beard caught on fire by a flamethrower. True story, not making that up. He was using a flamethrower at work, don't ask, and caught his beard on fire. I was able to help him out. One of the stories that I get over and over and over again from every type of beardsman, but it's the same exact story from different people, is they get some kind of urge to trim a major trim and or shave, and they go through the same progression. Almost always, it's not 100%, there are exceptions, but almost always, let's say they shave the beard or trim real short. At first, they're gonna convince themselves and then convince you how much they love it. It's a fresh start, I needed a switch up, it'll grow back, it's the journey, yeah. And then 2 days go by. Oh, Dan, what did I do? I keep grabbing my beard. I've got phantom beard issues. I don't know why I trimmed this. That's 2 years worth of growth down the drain. I got to restart. And it really hits them. And then a couple of days go by after they've had their grieving process. And then they're excited for the journey back. And they're like, I have more knowledge than ever. I have better products than ever. This is going to be the best. And then a year, 2 years goes by. And it's just a lesson they learned. But it happens all the time. And if we can save somebody that gut shot, absolutely it's videos like this that will do it. If you are sure and you need a trim, do your thing, boo-boo. Go crazy, do the best job that you possibly can. But if you're not sure, wait. I've heard all sorts of rules out there. I've heard people say wait 1 month for every inch of beard growth. That seems solid, right? If you have a 20-inch beard though, we're looking at almost 2 years of waiting to make a decision, so sometimes it might not be applicable or real, but at the end of the day, a good mantra to tell yourself over and over again, when in doubt, grow it out. And maybe if you're feeling down, switch it up. If you're somebody that's like, no, I only use oil and butter at night, maybe try using balm during the day. If your beard gets long enough, put it in a beard knot, braid it. Or if you do need to have a change, maybe trim less than shaving or less than taking it all off. Try a new style rather than just a complete restart. Down below, you guys, please be vulnerable. I know some of you watching this right now have been those people that regretted it. What was your experience like? Or maybe you're someone that's like, no, Dan, I switch it up all the time. There's no worries there. Rock on. You can share that as well. And if you want help along the journey, guys, go check out Dead Man's website. With Bryant, he's coming up with these ideas. He's coming up with the planning process, and I'm delivering my knowledge and my take on these things. Never once in these video discussions has he said, yeah, make sure you sell this. Make sure you plug this. Talk about this. Get them to the... Never once. It's complete educational freedom, and I couldn't be happier or prouder to work with this company. From me, not the company, Go check out their products. If you're looking for something special, Supernova, it could be quite literally my wife's favorite scent of all time. Check it out, guys. Have a great day, a great week, and we'll see you next Friday.